The new RIBA Plan of Work Toolbox is a free resource that can be downloaded from the website www.ribaplanofwork.com. To use the toolbox on a project, simply copy and paste the Excel spreadsheet and rename this to give the file a recognizable name. Guidance on how to use the worksheets within the toolbox is provided on the introduction page. To make this project specific, you may edit the list of parties within the pick list. The Project Roles table has been designed to assist with determining the roles that are required on a project at each stage and then deciding on the party that should undertake them. The first step in the preparation of the Project Roles table is to consider the roles that are required on a project. Unless the project is limited in its nature and scope, for example, undertaking work up to the application for planning consent only, all of the core project roles will be required. The schedule of services ensure that all of the tasks set out in the RIBA Plan of Work 2013 are allocated to a party set out in the Project Roles table. If appropriate, additional tasks may be added or certain tasks may be allocated to another party. In some instances, not all of the stages will be required. The schedule of services can be prepared accordingly. Whilst the schedule is multidisciplinary, it can be used for appending to individual professional services contracts. It is recommended that the Design Responsibility Matrix is prepared at the outset of a project during Stage 1. This ensures that the fees of each party are based on agreed deliverables at each stage and on the areas of design that each party will be responsible for. The table allows the allocation of design duties between design team members and also to the specialist subcontractors via the building contract. The aspects of design should be titled and coded using the new Uniclass 2 classification tables for objects such as elements, systems and products as appropriate. In the template, items are provided for an example project. These should be modified to make this list project specific. At each stage, the party responsible for the aspect of design, the level of design and the information exchange should be defined. The pick lists can be modified where the project team are working to alternative definitions with respect to level of design and digital information exchange. Where discrete aspects of the design may be allocated to the contractor within the building contract, this may be indicated. In addition, on larger projects where the client may wish a warranty to be put in place between one of the specialist subcontractors and another party, this may also be indicated. For detailed guidance on assembling a collaborative project team and using practical tools such as project roles tables, multidisciplinary schedules of service and design responsibility matrices, please see this latest RIBA publication from Dale Sinclair. Dale is an architect, director of Dyer and chairman of the RIBA Large Practice Group.